I am Rohidas Tungar. We are learning basic English. In this chapter, we discussed some topics. Those are these. We learn, we get information about this subject. This is a third person singular subject. This is also third person singular subject. And last video, we learned about this. Today we are going to learn about those. Those is third person plural subject. How to use those in sentences? What is mean of those in Marathi? What is type of sentences? Look here. Here are 4 types of sentences. First types is A for affirmative, N for negative, I for interrogative, and last one is NI for negative interrogative sentences. So, let's start. How to translate these sentences using those? Look, this sentence ती फुले आहेत. This is affirmative sentences because here is not word and here is also not question mark. So it's called affirmative sentences. Then how to translate this sentence in English language? Look, the structure A for affirmative and the structure is first use subject. Which is subject? Those. Those is here subject. After that use are. Are is helping word, that is plural. Then use object and then s oblique es. Then how to translate? Look, subject those. I write here those. After that use plural form of helping word are. After that this is the object fule. Fule is object in the sentences. And what to say fule in English? Look, flowers. Many flowers is called flowers. Then look next sentence. ती मुले नाहीत. What is type of this sentence? The type of this sentence is negative. Why? Because they use nahit. If in any sentences use not, it's called negative sentences, and the structure of the negative sentences is subject, after are, then not, then object, then es. Those is subject, after that are, after that not, and then mule is object. Mule, boys. Look next sentence. त्या मुली आहेत का? There is question mark. So it's called interrogative sentences. If there is any WS family members, then use WS family members. But look in this sentence, there is no any WS family member. So use are. Then subject is those, and then object girls. The sentence is are those girls. Next sentence, ती पुस्तके कोठे आहेत. There is question mark. This is also interrogative sentences. But look this word kote. This is a WS family member. So there is WS family member. So remember, keep mind, if there is any WS family members, then use at beginning kote, where, After that, look, are, then subject. What is subject? Those. Then object. What is object? Books. The last question mark. The sentence is, where are those books? Then next sentence, ही माणसे कोण आहे? Question mark. So it's called interrogative sentences. There is WS family members. This is a WS family members. So use WS family members here. कोण? Who? Then are. Then subject. Subject is those. There is subject these. Then object people. And the last question mark. Look, who are these people? The next sentence. Look, ह्या वया नाहीत का? Look, here there is no any WS family member, so use here are. Then these, not, then notebook, notebooks. Then the sentence is, are these not notebooks? And the last one is question mark, because this is interrogative sentence. So here is question mark. So guys, in this way we get information, we get knowledge about third person plural subject, that is those. And about this, look here, these two sentences is about this. How to translate in English? Look this carefully. The structure is, if there is WS family members, then use WS family members. If there is no WS family members, then use in interrogative sentence are, then subject, then object, then is or es. In this way, we learn how to use those in sentences. And what is the types of sentences? There is 4 types of sentences: affirmative sentences, negative sentences, interrogative sentences, then negative interrogative sentences. So guys, take care, do study, stay at home and do your work. Goodbye.